Hello, my name is Esteban Aveda, and I'm doing a marketing proposal for Liquid IV. Liquid IV's targeted audience, uh, the provider of hydration products created to defeat global dehydration. The company's hydration products deliver water and other key nutrients directly to the bloodstream for faster, more efficient hydration. Liquid IV is provided to not only the everyday average person, but it can also be used by kids, elderly, and pregnant women. People who are easily dehydrated can now hydrate themselves with less than half the sugar and calorie cost as would a normal Gatorade. Liquid IV's cellular transport technology uses a precise ratio of sodium, glucose, and potassium that allows water to be delivered straight to the bloodstream. It is fact that 75% of Americans are dehydrated. So, marketing solution is to advertise towards the elderly. The elderly would be a great targeted audience for Liquid IV because every senior citizen needs their daily vitamins and hydration. Many elders have trouble drinking water throughout the day and leaving the majority of dehydrated and weak. Liquid IV provides five essential vitamins: B3, B5, B6, vitamin B12, and vitamin C. Liquid IV has three times the electrolytes of normal sports drinks, all of which the elderly need, especially those who are sick and vulnerable. Since Liquid IV is a fairly new company, not many seniors know what Liquid IV is and how much it can benefit them. So here are some graphs that I found. The graph on the left shows the percentage of elders who are dehydrated in the US. You see that 65 to 74-year-olds have a 60% dehydration. 75 to 84-year-olds are 73%. And of course, 85 and up are 81% dehydrated. So this shows that Liquid IV can enhance their product to a broader audience. The graph on the right shows how many elders who have less access to computers and internet at home. So not all elders are getting their advertisement and knowledge and information that we use as citizens through social media or the internet. And that is it. That is my marketing proposal for Liquid IV. Thank you.